How to delete backed up photos without deleting from your phone in Google Photos. Before we begin, it's important to understand how Google Photos works. If backup is enabled, your photos are synced between your device and your Google Photos library. That means deleting a backed up photo from Google Photos will also remove it from your device. If you want to keep the photo on your phone but remove it from Google Photos, you'll first need to turn off backup for your device. To do this, open Google Photos, tap your profile picture, go to Photo Settings, then Backup, and switch Backup off. Next, if the photo is already backed up, save a separate copy outside of Google Photos if needed, because deleting it from your Google Photos library will also affect synced copies. Google Photos does not currently offer an option to delete only the cloud copy while leaving the same synced photo on your device. So, if your goal is to free up cloud storage while keeping local files, you'll need to stop syncing first and manage your photos separately. And that's it. Now you know how photo syncing works in Google Photos and why deleting only the backed up cloud copy isn't supported. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy Google Photos tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.